Now we try to go out here in our place, a very dark place. Where are we going, Jamie?
To buy water.
Store is, I guess, 1 kilometer from here. This is the place where we make way. This is our way to the store. We forgot to buy water a while ago. That is why Jum Jum wants to drink water, wants to drink water, but we don't have mineral water. That is why we'll be going to buy a water there at the store. So this is our way to the store. You believe that, Jump, in what we call as ungo? You believe in ungo, Jamie boy?
No.
Why you didn't look? Why?
I just said no.
What is the reason? We're almost there at the